Hello, welcome to Shri Krishna Kitchen. Today I am preparing prawn ghee roast. This is very tasty ghee roast. Please try it once. Ingredients for prawn ghee roast. I have taken 750 gram prawn, cleaned, deveined, added half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt to taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Long dry chili 20 numbers, 3 tablespoon coriander seed. Here I have taken small garlic, 12 garlic cloves, small ball tamarind, few peppercorn. So today I have taken only 8 peppercorn, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seed, 3/4 teaspoon methi seed, 1 teaspoon mustard, salt, 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Curry leaves very important for this recipe. Asafoetida, hing, turmeric powder. I kept pan. Add only 1 teaspoon oil. Initially we have to fry the long red chilies. Roast the red chilies for few minutes. Red chilies been roasted. Put off the gas. Let us soak this roasted chilies into the water. This is room temperature water, normal water. Soak it for 10 minutes. Let us fry remaining ingredients. Added coriander seed, methi seed, cumin seed, peppercorn, mustard seed, add 1 teaspoon oil. Roast these ingredients together. Roast well. Mustard splatters. This is almost done. Ingredients been roasted. Tamarind, just fry it once and take it. Now let us grind the masala. So here I am taking roasted red chili. Just red chili just I have done into a coarse paste. Now let us add all the fried ingredients to the mixer grinder. Added tamarind, add little turmeric, blend these all ingredients into a smooth paste. Add garlic cloves into this. Add little water. Close the lid, grind into a smooth paste. To make ghee roast, ghee is the important thing. Kadai is hot. I have taken 4 teaspoon ghee. Now let us fry this curry leaves. Transfer this to the bowl. Add asafoetida, hing to the kadai. And we have to fry the prawn slightly. You can add 2 teaspoon oil. Slightly fry the prawn. Don't fry completely. After mixing the masala, we can fry it well. Here I have added asafoetida. Those are having gastric problem, so really it's very good. Prawn slightly fried. Now I am transferring this to the bowl. Make the flame low and transfer this to the bowl. Keep the kadai on medium flame. Now add ground paste to the oil. So 4 tablespoons I have taken. Fry well. Masala fry well. Here you can add 1 teaspoon ghee. Adjust the salt. Adjust the salt. Now let us add the prawn into the masala. To coat the masala very well. Make the flame on medium. Let prawn cook with the masala very well. Close the lid. Keep for 10 minutes. Mix in between. Here I have taken medium sized prawns. Close the lid. Let it cook on medium flame. Almost done. Adjust the salt. Close it and keep for 5 more minutes. It's done completely. Friends, I have taken only the half of the ground masala. It's already been cooked well. Let me transfer this to the plate, serving plate. garnish with the fried curry leaves. Friends, please try this recipe once and write a comment. Prawn ghee roast is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.